In this video, we're going to explain what a working instruction is and what its typical elements are. A working instruction is a document that precisely describes how to perform an activity correctly, avoiding inconvenience, defects, or damage if the task is not done in an established manner. It typically explains how to do a job step by step. Let's take a look at the typical elements of a working instruction. The header section identifies the document and provides key references. Typically it includes document title, instruction number, process or operation name, part number or product reference, revision level, author and approval information, effective date. The table of contents lists which operations or topics the document covers, making it easy to navigate, especially for longer instructions. The next element is the operations section. It defines the specific operations covered by the work instruction document. Typically, it includes the operation name, workstation or area, required tools and materials, and applicable safety requirements. Description of specific instruction. This is the most important part of the working instruction. It explains exactly how the operation must be performed, step by step. For example, before recoating, the part surface must be prepared in the following sequence. Step 1. Remove old coating manually using slightly grainy sandpaper. Step 2. Degrease the surface using degreaser DX900. Step 3. Place the affected parts into the rinsing tank for 2 minutes. Step 4. Place the affected parts into the pickling tank for 1 minute. Step 5. Rinse the parts in the rinsing tank for 5 minutes. Step 6. Leave the parts in the oven for 5 hours to dry. Supplements, or appendixes, provide additional information that helps ensure the operation is performed accurately. Graphics, pictures, diagrams, process flow charts, tool photos, control plans or reference documents are welcome. So what are the benefits of using working instructions? Ensures consistent and repeatable operations, reduces human error and variation, supports training of new employees, improves product quality and process stability, enhances safety and compliance, provides clear standardization for audits. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into quality, manufacturing, and process management.